So now let's talk about the HTML structure of our page. So basically we have a body tag, which has a lot of elements, which we are able to see on our screen. But these elements can be contained within each other. So we see that we have an H1 inside of a body tag. We have a paragraph inside of a body tag, and we have a div inside of the body tag. So what this means is that the H1 and the paragraph and the div, they are siblings because they are right next to each other inside of the body tag, right? So they are siblings. But each of these elements are the child of the body tag, and the body tag is the parent of each of these elements. So in the first instruction, it says add the paragraph below as a child of the div element. Now remember, what is a child? It's an element that's inside of another element. So if they're referring to the div element and they want us to create a child element, then that means they want us to put this paragraph in that div. So I'm going to copy the div. Actually, again, rather than copying, I go inside of the element, I create the p tag and the closing p tag, and then I will copy the content and put it in there. That way you get a chance to see how I create the elements rather than copying pasting. We run, and this is working.